Here we're going to evaluate the integral using integration by parts. We have the integral p to the fifth times the natural log of p times dp. So in this problem, by using integration by parts, we're going to let u equal the natural log of p, and dv is going to equal p to the fifth power dp. So now we're going to take the derivative with respect to p, so du is going to equal 1 over p dp, and we need to find v. Well, v is taking the antiderivative of p to the fifth, so let's go ahead and do that. So p to the fifth, so to find the antiderivative is p to the 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1. So we have p to the sixth over 6, which is the same thing as the reciprocal of 1 over 6, p to the sixth. So we end up getting 1 over 6 p to the sixth as the antiderivative there. So now let's go ahead and rewrite the original question. So we have the integral of p to the fifth times the natural log of p dp. And so we're going to use the integration by parts formula. So u times v minus the integral v times du. We know that u is the natural log of p times v, which is 1 over 6 p to the sixth power, minus the integral of 1 over 6 p to the sixth power times du, which is 1 over p dp. So now let's go ahead and simplify this a little further. So we have 1/6 p to the sixth times the natural log of p. We're going to factor out the constant, which is 1/6, so that's minus 1/6. And we have p to the sixth over p to the fifth. Sorry, p to the sixth over p, and that's dp. So if we simplify that a little further, we have 1/6 p to the sixth times the natural log of p minus 1/6 times the integral of p to the fifth dp. And so now we want to take the antiderivative of p to the fifth. So we're going to rewrite that, and this is 1/6 times the antiderivative of p to the fifth is 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1, which is equal to p to the sixth over 6, which is 1/6 p to the sixth. So we have 1 over 6 p to the sixth, and then plus c. And so then we get 1 over 6 p to the sixth times the natural log of p minus 1/6 times 1/6, which is 1 over 36 p to the sixth plus c. And therefore there is our result.